we got noodles, and we got brie bites. Cheese overload. Home Bargains did the buldak noodles. They did the buldak noodles, so I got a pack of 5 carbonara and a pack of 5 cheese. And I don't know if I've had the cheese before. And then obviously the brie bites, which are, they're not stringy because they're brie. I mean, it's not bad actually. Sorry. Yeah, picking up my carpet. Anyway, these brie bites are amazing. Look at that. What's it? What is this? Sweet chili. Also, tell me why I've been using sunbed, but my face has got browner than my body. Do you not think? Sammy! Oh, mate. There's something with that cat, mate. There's something. It's just nutball. Here's my ginger cat. Oh my god, this looks steamy hot. Oh my god, I actually done these a bit better. Oh, have I spoke too soon? Oh my god, and also, do you know what I want to do? Oh, maybe I should have left them a bit. Do you know what? I forget that the noodles underneath is literally like lava. Like the top bit is actually fine. Anyway, I want to get those rice papers. Is it the rice paper? And put it in there and then make like a wrap of them. Oh my god. I'm telling you, right, this must look hotter than it is sometimes on screen because it's not actually like lava. How's your Sunday been, guys? What have you been doing? What have you eaten? Have you eaten anything? If you haven't, have something. Something is better than nothing. I'm going back for some more Botox tomorrow. You can't really see it, but it is, no, don't like it. I wasn't going to even have these, but I thought, you know what, why not? I was going to have a chip sandwich, chip butty, but I decided noodles. I haven't told Ellie that I've got them yet. I better send a picture of her. I don't know what it is with the buldak ones, but they are literally the best ones. They just are. They just are. What do I do? Got the black cat down there. Ginger Ninja over there. He's going to start something. I feel it. I can feel it. And usually, when he starts something, it's on his sister. Don't even ask me why I've done that, but... I'll have to use it like this, so I can get it all up. Is that Ellie? Coming down. What? I'm getting confused what's going on here. That. Do you know what? I feel like when you're recording, you actually go like, more. Because when I'm at home, I don't just sit there and go, I feel like it's just a recording thing. I don't know why. It just naturally happens. That hit the spot. Hit the spot. Anyway, have a good evening.